today I'm going to be unboxing the Trick or Treat Trio. So here is the Trick or Treat Trio, and they are limited edition for Halloween, and you can see there's pumpkins and a ghost with sweets. And you can see in the background there's like fireworks, and you can see like the amusement park pictures in the background of the box, and also pumpkins as well. And that comes with a bat, a ghost, and a pumpkin costume. I think they look so cute. They're really great for Halloween. And I think the bear as the pumpkin looks really cute because it looks like it's a bit oversized and kind of covering his face a bit, which makes him look really cute. Like even cuter because it looks like he's like a little bit too little, like it doesn't fit him properly. Looks so cute. So now I'm going to open them. Got all my other spooky dressed up Sylvanians behind here. So it comes in a really nice box to keep them in, to keep them safe. And here they are. So we've got a bat costume with a grey striped cat wearing it. Ooh. Well, it says it's a bat costume, but I think it kind of looks like a devil costume with the horns and like pointed tail. It's so adorable. I really love it because it's so different to all of the other costumes, I think. Like in the other Halloween sets, there is normally a pumpkin or ghost, especially the ghost, it's quite a lot of them. But to have a bat or a devil or whatever is really different and cool. I love the wings. Looks really scary. So I think this is Liberty, I think her name is, the grey striped cat baby. Can't think of their surname off the top of my head, because they're the ones that own the supermarket, the grandparents are. They are the... Is it? No, it's not. I can't remember. I'm going to look it up. Yeah, it is Liberty, and her surname is Harvey. Liberty Harvey as a bat. Really cute. And we've got a ghost, and this is also a cat dressed up, and it's Jilly Golightly, the silk cat baby sister. So that's really cute. And lastly, we've got the pumpkin. I really like this costume because it's quite different to like the other pumpkin costume that came with the old set, which had, I think it was Ambrose as a pumpkin, which was just an orange like suit with a pumpkin bit that went over your ears rather than a whole kind of suit with the head part. So I think that looks really good. And I love the shape of it, like at the bottom. Looks really cool. And it's even got like the green bit on the top. Oh, I love that. Yeah, it is kind of a bit big for him because it covers his face a bit. But I think that just makes it even more cute. Looks so adorable. Aww. Love them. So they're really great for Halloween. And also just to have at the amusement park. Anyway, I think looks good for them to be dressed up like at the spooky surprise house. You might go dressed as a ghost or maybe even a bat, because like there's even a bat on the top of the spooky surprise house. So you could go dressed as a bat if you wanted to, or as a ghost, as there's even a ghost that lives there. So I think that's really great. I just love all of the amusement park stuff, all the different costumes. I just love it all so much. I just think it's really, really cool. And yeah, they're so cute. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.